Now we are going to start the demo for microprocessor 8086. In order to start a demo program, which we are going to choose a program from the manual itself. The program is to add two binary numbers, each using 8 bytes long. The procedure for the program is stated as follows. The program has to be entered from 200 memory location, and the hex numbers are to be entered from 300 to 30F, and the execution has to be done on 200, and the result has to be checked from 308 to 30F. Now first of all we have to do is enter the number from memory location 300 to 30F. For that we have to do is first press 0300, then press next. By doing this we add 300, which we are showing here is the address location, and 01 is the data. We have to enter our data from location 300 to 30F. From now we are going to enter the data. Once you have entered the data, press TTY for confirmation, then go back to address 0 to 100 next. By doing this, we have come to an address location 200 where we have a data F8. Now we are going to start entering our program onto the kit. For that, we have to do is enter the data from the hexadecimal keyboard and press next from next memory location. If you have made a mistake, you can press previous to go back to the memory location. For that, you can simply go and press previous. Now after entering F4, that is the hard location, we have to press TTY. Then, in order to execute the program, we have to press 2. 2 is for go, then address location from where the program has to be started, 200, and then TTY. The sign E here denotes that the program has been executed. Now to check our result, we have to go to the address location 00308. What we have here is our result: 0B, 0D, 3F, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 1A. All the data displayed here is in hexadecimal system.